edition of the online tutorial. This week you are going to learn about different kinds of business letter. You can find this week's topic in Module 4, which consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to distinguish different kinds of business writing and write a business letter accurately and appropriately. So please study the material and enrichment links below. Afterward, please participate in discussion forum 4 and submit the assignment 1 if you haven't. So, keep spirit and good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.